In case you missed it, yesterday I was on BBC Radio Leicester, and it was part of my interview that I did there a couple of weeks ago for the BBC Make a Difference Award. I am a Active Award finalist. I am so proud of that for all the work I do with Unity Swimming, with Swim Fearless, and what lights me up is to get people from all backgrounds, all over the world, into the water, saving and changing lives. So I've been in the industry for 30 years now. I'm an advanced aquaphobia coach. I train with the Institute of Aquaphobia, and I am a Swim England tutor, training people all over the country to be Swim England teachers. So if you missed it, here's my video clip from Radio Leicester live. But if you want to catch me live on BBC Radio Leicester again, I will be on the breakfast show tomorrow morning at 7 a.m, nice and bright and early, on location, talking about my nomination as a finalist for the Active Award, BBC Make a Difference Award. So 7 a.m. tomorrow, Friday the 7th of August, live on BBC Radio Leicester with Adi Damon's Breakfast Show crew.
Every day between now and September, you're going to be meeting our finalists, and you're going to meet every single one of our finalists as well. Now, these are people, or in some cases animals, who've gone above and beyond for their neighbours or communities right here. So let's meet some of the finalists. Catrice Rodriguez is a finalist for the active category. Now, Catrice is a swim coach whose mission is to get more representation in swimming.
I'm really passionate about getting people from all over the world, from all different backgrounds, into swimming. And whether that's with me or with friends, I'm just passionate about getting people in the water and changing and saving lives. Swimming's always been in my life, and my parents made sure that I could swim. So my parents took me when I was little, and I became a competitive swimmer from around 8 or 9, and then I swam competitively for about 10 or 11 years. When I did used to swim competitively as a girl back in the late 80s, early 90s, I can't really remember anyone looking like me. I then found the statistics as well. So 95% of black adults don't swim. 93% of Asian adults don't swim. Black and Asian women are twice as likely to drown than white women in the UK. Black and Asian men are 3 times more likely to drown in the UK than white men. So this is why I do what I do. So we have these sessions. We've now got 3 weekly sessions, 2 ladies only weekly sessions, and a mixed adult session as well. And we're in talks to create a men's only session, and it's about creating safe, inclusive spaces for people from Black and Asian communities so that they don't have to explain if their parents didn't swim, if they haven't swum for years, and they can just swim with people that look like them. It's really amazing to be part of people's swim journeys, and a lot of them come to me because they say, Catrice, I'm sitting here watching my grandchildren or my children swim, and they're starting to really love it and be in the water, and I need to get in the water with them. So I need to learn to swim, I need to get over my fears, I want to be able to let go of the pool side at the shallow end and get in with them. I'm fed up of missing out on holidays. I remember one lady, she is the only person from her village in the Gambia that has actually learned to swim. But she went from completely terrified. She used to cry after lessons, and I used to talk to her. And now she enjoys the water, she jumps in, she dives in, she goes down to the deep end, and she enjoys the water with her 2 boys. One of our swimmers, she swam with us in the ladies only session. She actually travelled quite far to get to us, and when she kind of got to the point where she reached her goals and she stopped swimming, I got this really, really amazing voice note from her little boy thanking me for teaching her mummy to swim. It was amazing. It was so lovely, and again, that's why I do what I do.
Catrice Rodriguez, a swim coach, making a difference. One of our finalists in this year's BBC Radio Leicester Make a Difference Awards.